Your spouse forgets your marriage anniversary, thinking it's not a big deal, but you feel unappreciated. You want to save money for a vacation, while your spouse prefers upgrading the house. Disagreements over finances begin. One of the life partner feels overwhelmed because they handle the majority of childcare or all the household tasks. Complaining starts. During stress, you want to vent, but your spouse prefers to retreat and stay silent. This disconnect can cause tension. What started as a simple communication turns into discussion, and within no time, you see you are in the middle of argument, leading to battles. Sometimes these battles are spiraling into war, leading to breakup or divorce. Marriage is hard. Two completely different individuals with past traumas, not knowing what love looks like, having to learn with no guidance and even good example is tough. Well, perhaps battling results in conflict, which is normal in relationships, but it doesn't have to feel like a war. While you can afford to battle in marriage, scoring each time, never resort to war in the sense of breakup. Perhaps you can lose the battle, but not in war. This metaphor is well explained in this video. In marriage, it is important to recognize that the war is not about defeating your partner, but about building a successful and happy life together. Winning small battles may feel satisfying in the moment, but a focus on mutual understanding, compromise, and emotional support will help ensure you win the war of maintaining a strong, healthy, and lasting relationship. We will see in this video as a three-part solution how both can win in the marriage. It's a win-win situation for both of you. Hi Richies! In this video, let us talk about something close to our hearts, our families and marriages. We all face little battles in relationships, right? But what if we focused on winning the war, keeping love, trust and harmony alive? While we have campaigned for Save Earth, Save Water and Save Soil, why no campaign or efforts to save marriage? Perhaps saving marriage is not important? Or do we assume it will take care of itself? First, we will look into the dynamics of battles and war in the marriage setting. Battles are the day-to-day disagreements, small arguments, or conflicts that arise. They might include issues like household chores, finances, or parenting differences. In battle, one will be winning while the other loses. But war refers to the overall health and strength of the marriage. It relates to emotional connection, mutual respect, shared goals, and long-term happiness. Here, both the partners should win in a win-win situation. Now, winning an argument or getting your way in a specific issue might feel satisfying in the short term. But if it undermines the relationship or does not address the underlying issues, it can harm the overall health of the marriage. Instead of focusing on winning an argument, aim for understanding each other's perspectives. Those could be due to varied priorities which make it difficult to find common ground, a perception of imbalance which can lead to resentment, different emotional needs during challenges, expectations were never communicated but were assumed. How can these be handled? Remember, every marriage is unique, and what works for one couple may not work for another. The key is to find strategies that work for you and your partner. Now, in the current scenario, we need strategies to save the institution of marriage at three levels, like personal, community, and government level. At personal level, one can address the following issues. Open, empathetic communication between partners helps in resolving conflicts in a way that strengthens the relationship. When handled constructively, relationships can deepen understanding and bring you closer. Reframe disagreements as opportunities to grow together rather than threats to your bond. Ensure that both the partners are committed to the long term health of the marriage. This means prioritizing the relationship over individual victories or ego. In conflicts, look for solutions that work for both the partners rather than insisting on having your own way. Compromise and negotiation are key to maintaining harmony. Try to understand your partner's feelings and perspectives. Validating each other's emotions can reduce friction and build a stronger emotional connection. Have regular discussions about your relationship to address any issues before they become significant problems. This helps in staying aligned with each other's needs and goals. Professional help can be invaluable in navigating complex issues and improving communication. Couples therapy can provide tools and strategies to address and resolve deeper issues. Spend quality time together and engage in activities that reinforce your bond. Positive interactions and shared experiences can strengthen the marriage and help in overcoming challenges. When mistakes are made, apologize sincerely. Similarly, practice forgiveness and let go of grudges. Holding on to past conflicts can erode trust and affection. Often, recurrent battles in a marriage are symptoms of deeper issues. Identifying and addressing these underlying issues is crucial. For example, if constant arguments about finances are occurring, it might be necessary to explore deeper concerns about financial security, values, or communication about money. Essentially, saving a marriage involves focusing on the overall health of the relationship rather than just individual victories in conflicts. By prioritizing understanding, compromise, and empathy, couples can navigate disagreements in a way that strengthens their bond and supports the longevity of their marriage. When the sanctity of marriage is considered paramount, we will see what could be the strategy at societal level. Some community initiatives can be thought of like create marriage support groups from successful senior couples to counsel for couples facing challenges. Organize many marriage retreats or workshops for couples to strengthen their bonds. The matrimony services can pitch into this as an extension of services after the matchmaking. Events can be hosted that promote family and community togetherness. Marriage education programs can offer pre-marital counseling and ongoing education for married couples, reducing stigma associated with seeking help for relationship issues. Also, media can think of promoting positive portrayals of marriage in movies, TV shows, and advertising. We always see in the TV ads, while product promotion is their main motive, they base it on couples' closeness, be it coffee ad, diamond ad, or even senior citizen living. Such is the bedrock foundation of family, and unless and until it is continued, protected, there will be no business in the world. The current TV serials mostly promote the negative values like family feud, moral corruption, mostly playing for the TRP rating. Such a powerful medium should be more responsible for cultural and social changes. Encourage a shift towards valuing commitment, stability, long-term partnership. Beyond this, my thoughts are raging in my mind. What could be some potential strategies to promote and preserve the institution of marriage at the government level? I am thinking aloud how this can be supported by various measures. The ballooning dangers of breakups, living together without marriage, child-free life, or even solo living will be liquidating the family concept. And so, some wild policy supports come to my mind. When traditional social forces are weakening, I think of some external facilitating forces as a compelling situations in future, like implement policies that support families such as paid parental leave, affordable childcare, and flexible work arrangements, provide tax breaks or other financial incentives for married couples, offer government subsidies for couples seeking marriage counseling as it shows they are interested in marriage bonding. A day might come for corporates to create work-life balance, allowing employees to work from home, supporting personal and family lives. But why? The institution of marriage is dissolving with many breakups, divorce, and living single. Are we heading for such a society in the present liberated spirit and non-committal lifestyle? What will happen to progeny? How long these external wires can bind them when it is not from within? Does the decline of marriage will bring the end of family? Big questions come to our mind. Save our soil, save the earth, save water are important initiatives. Why not save marriage also be a serious campaign? Otherwise, without the legitimate progeny, are we heading towards end of mankind? Will there be a situation? Planet Earth will be inhabited only by other forms of life and no humankind? Or is it an escapism for humans to indulge in saving the Earth movement because they fail and lose hope in repairing the basic unit of family home front? Ultimately, the future of marriage and family structure will depend on a variety of factors, including societal values, economic conditions, and technological advancement. This big question remains that does the decline of marriage will bring the end of family? We will search for the big answer in the next video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will not miss the next serious video. I am thanking you for watching this video till the end and being a partner in this serious search. I solicit your thoughts and comments on this serious topic. Thank you once again.